Hello everyone, it is Dave Rhydderch, aka Realtor Dave, and I'm here with my Q2 real estate update for Calgary. And similar for 2012, my 2012 predictions, I'm a little bit behind here, and the reason I'm behind is because the market's really hot right now. Not hot 2006, 2007 hot, but definitely hot compared to 2009 through 2011. As an example of that, last month of March, 10% of all listings went at or above list price. And this is good news. It's showing that listings that are well priced sell really quickly. I think if you're looking to buy right now, you know this. I think a lot of people have seen a place, oh, we like this place, and it sells like that. And the main driver here is the single family home market. For single family homes right now, it's not that the market is exceptionally crazy, but we're seeing sales about 10% higher than normal. And by normal, I mean sort of recent historical averages. Meanwhile, new listings are down about 10%. So total inventory right now is down about 20%, and we are starting to see, so that because of that, so classic supply and demand, things that come on get snatched up really quickly. And it's actually making me look pretty smart right now when I can look back at my 2012 predictions, and I realize we're only a quarter way through the year, and I shouldn't pat myself on the back just yet. But it's basically happening as I thought it would, and that's that inventory crunch is pushing prices up. As prices go up, more inventory comes on. And last couple of weeks, we've seen a few more homes come on. However, we're still definitely in an inventory crunch. So if you're looking to sell, especially a single-family home, I'd get on the market right now, especially below 400K. Below 400K, we're in a seller's market. Apartment-style condos are the one weak spot. So condos really these days are divided into townhouse style and apartment style. Townhouse style is still doing quite well, and I think it's similar to, it's sort of in between the two. But apartment style condos is a weak point, and it's not, when I say weak, it's relatively weak. Compared to single family homes, for instance, we are seeing the new listings down, similarly down about 10%, inventory is down about 10%. What we aren't seeing is a lot of sales, or a lot more sales. It's about what we'd expect it to be, it's about historical averages. And I actually believe it's happened because of all the new condos coming on. There's a whack of condos coming on in 2013, and a lot of them being built still. So you can pick your finishings, you can pick a lot of the details for the condo. A lot of people decide, I'd rather wait 6 months to a year for my condo, pick it exactly how I want, than buy a resale condo. So I think that's why there's a little bit more weakness in the resale condo market right now. However, prices are sort of staying the same. They're maybe leveling off, or maybe going down a little bit, whereas single-family home prices are inching up. And they're only up about 3% in single-family homes. But I do believe that if we continue to see this inventory shortage, prices will have to go up a lot more. And they have been going up. And so that's basically the message of today, is that more affordable homes, definite seller's market, get your home on the market, let's get it sold. And if you're a buyer, buyers, there's a lot of crap out there still, so you're going to go through a lot of crap. It takes a long time to find it. When you find that right place, buy it, because it won't last. And I know a lot of people will speak from experience. I'm working with those buyers right now. So what else is going on? Interest rates. I mean, interest rates are always tied to real estate, always correlated with real estate. And I think at the start of this year, I said, and I still do believe this, there'll be no interest rate increases. And by interest rates, I mean the overnight lending rate for 2012. I do now believe that we'll see something in the middle of 2013, which I think I started this year, I was thinking more towards the end of 2014, but now it looks like the economy is doing a little bit better. We'll probably see the overnight lending rate raised in 2013. So if you're picking a mortgage right now, I would give strong consideration to 5-year fixed. I know a lot of you got rate holds at 3.19. The spread between the fixed and the variable is too small to recommend variable at this point in time. So I'm recommending my clients and myself, I'm getting fixed rates. And I got a variable rate, my last variable rate I renewed in July of last year. And that was a good idea at the time, but the spread was a lot bigger. At that point in time, I was looking at fixed rates of sort of 3.8, where the variable is at 2.25. Now we're looking at variable basically 2.8 and fixed. It was hold at 3.19, but even at 3.49, still say you go for fixed. That's news on interest rates. And I guess the other big news is the lack of any sort of increasing government regulation with regards to mortgages. And the federal budget just came out, and realistically they have not touched any mortgage rules. This is good news. It means it's going to balance the market. I do still ultimately feel that they will bring it back down again, but for now they're not too worried about it. And so it means we can stay calm and you know, not worry about the mortgages for at least another year. Other than that, guys, that's really all I have for you. If you have any more specific questions, you always know where to find me. You can find me here, 403-990-1278, or as always, get me on my website, which is www.calgaryconreport.com. I've had a whack of referrals lately, and it's really appreciated. I don't even want to name them all because I'm going to forget. I do send it on my newsletter, but just know, guys, I really appreciate all the referrals, and it's right now keeping me as busy as I can be. So I appreciate that. Hope you guys are doing really well. If you have any questions, you know, find me. And my last thing, if you're looking to sell your house, get it on the market right now.